Hey everybody, I'd like to show you something that I think is really interesting that I learned yesterday, and it's about Tion, and I've always taught that as a suffix Tion, but it's not. Yesterday I learned about this morpheme called, or just Ion, is a morpheme. Morphemes are the smallest unit of sounds that have meaning, that carry meaning with them, that have meaning. So, for example, tract is a morpheme, and it means to pull. It means to pull or to draw out, something like that. And the morpheme Ion, it means an action or a condition. Right? An action or a condition. So when we put tract, the morpheme tract, with Ion, it means the action, the act of pulling. Isn't that neat? Now all of them work that way. Now here's the thing. If we take the word traction and divide it up into phonemes, right? Or not phonemes, I'm sorry. Into morphemes, we get tract and Ion. Now, it doesn't necessarily divide into syllables that way. We can underline these, and we're going to divide it into syllables. Actually, the syllables would be divided like this. This is a closed syllable. Track. And then shun is also closed, so that's going to be a short vowel. That's short vowel. So we need to explain to our kids that TI together in certain situations, it says SH. I have never in my life thought of it that way before. Anyways, they all work like this. If you call this a suffix, then you really lose the meaning of the word. That's really neat. Anyways, maybe I'm just a dork, but I think that's cool. All right. Well, thanks for giving me some time today. I don't know. I just think that's neat. All right. Bye, everybody.